So that's what the Mini looks like.
Could be worse. Not by much.
Okay, that's
So yeah, we definitely have the stuff to fix those doors and shit like that. You just haven't done them yet. The windows, you can make them probably. The suspension, but there's no doing the wheels yet or trying to fix the wheels until you've fixed the suspension, the brakes, which we need to go get off that other car. Things alright. He'll be okay, right?
He'll be fine. He hasn't said anything, which means it's fine, right?
That's what I'm taking it.
Did you guys let it in?
No? Is that inside?
What in?
Holy
Is
shit,
anyone
he
else on
scared the
inside then?
shit out of me, man.
Do you believe me now when I said zombies get inside this fucking base?
No.
Oh my god. Dude, the gate got fucked. No way.
The gate's broke?
Yeah.
I mean, zombies been banging there for a while, we not heard it.